Any doubt? Now next example. Next example is A equals to input values B equals to A divided by 2. Print A comma B. What is the meaning of this line? Anybody knows the meaning of this line? A equals to input values. Input statement here. Input statement is written, or the meaning of input statement, the definition of input statement is saying that input statement always take string type value. It always take string type value. If it is taking string type value, then store this value in variable A, and then we want to divide any string value with the 2. So it is not possible. We cannot divide any string value to through the integer number. See the program. See this program here. Remove this program and type A equals to input single quotes enter value. Now B equals to A divided by 2. Then print A, print the value of B. The value of B is B. Now close this, save this program, execute. Enter value. Suppose I am typing 4. Now see, one error is coming. Error's name is type error is unsupported operand types for divide, str and int. Str represent string, int represent integer number. Means enter value 4. Enter value, or I have given value here 4. 4, you know very well it is an integer number, but we have taken this 4 with the help of input statement, or through the input statement. Whatever you have to take, it comes as a string, and we want to divide this 4 through the 2. So it is not possible. We cannot divide any string value through the 2. If I change like this, before the input statement, if I am writing like this int and then close this bracket, after that save it again and then run your code. Again enter value. Suppose this time I am again entering 4, then answer is 2.0. No error is coming. Why? Because of this int. Whatever you have to take through the input statement, it will convert it into integer, and after that assign to the variable A. So I have taken 4 through the input statement. It is converted into integer and then assigned in variable A. Now the value of A is 4 in integer number, in integer form. Then 4 divided by 2, we get answer 2.0. Clear? And then the value of B is 2.0. Is it clear, student? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, please ask.
No, sir.
Yes.
Everything is clear, no? Okay.
No, sir.
Doubt? You asked your doubt?
Sir, I didn't understand.
You didn't understand. You have missed, I think you have missed your class, yesterday class, no? That's why this problem is occur. See here. Again, you have to see here. A equals to input. Enter first. This topic I explained earlier also. B equals to input. Enter second number. After that, sum add equals to a plus b. Then print a double d add. Diya, 1 and 1 is, what is the value of 1 and 1?
2.
If I am saying 1 and 1 is 11, so what happened? देखो, enter the first number 1, second number 1, result is
11.
11. This topic I explained earlier also. याद आया कुछ?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Eh?
sir.
Yes. Why?
Again.
Because whatever we have to take through the input statement, it is converted as the form of string. Clear? And if we want to add this number, means 1 and 1 is 2 करना है हमें, तो उसके लिए convert your string value to the numeric value first. So we convert in any string value to numeric value through this int. This is called typecasting, means type conversion. This topic will come afterwards. Typecasting topic will come afterwards, but you see the use of this. Enter first number 1 and the second number is again 1. The result is 2. If you convert your number into integer. So whatever you have to take through the input statement, it will as a string. Is it clear? That's why this is the problem. See here. Here we have taken value through the input statement. It is act as a string, or we cannot divide string value through the numeric value. This is the error. Now it is clear?
Yes,
Is it,
sir.
everyone, I am asking. Everyone is yes. Anyone having doubt, please ask.
No, sir.
No?
No, sir.
Okay. Please put off your mic. Next, find the errors in the following code fragment. Next one. C equals to int. Input, enter your class. Print, your class is C. Any errors here? According to this code, there is no error. According to this code, there is no error. But one statement is given here with the question. क्या लिखा है? The input entered is xi in Roman number, means this is class 11. A user entered like xi. We cannot convert this xi to the integer. Listen it carefully. This xi we know very well, it is a 11 number. But computer cannot convert this xi into integer. So this is the problem. That's why error is coming in the code. Here, but the code is correct. कोड सही है हमारा, लेकिन इनपुट के अकॉर्डिंग ये कोड गलत है. तो यहाँ पर एक आउटपुट लिखा है मैंने. क्या लिखा है? इनवैलिड लिटरल फॉर इंट विद बेस 10. Next, consider the following code. This is the code. Name equals to input. What is your name? Print. Hi, name, comma. Print. How are you doing? Was intended to print out as hi, name, how are you doing? But it is printing the output as hi, name, how are you doing? What could be the problem? Can you suggest the solution for the same? This topic I explained today also. Print state, हाँ, and ये याद आ गया कुछ? And equals to single quotes open, single quotes close. Then only it will display like this in a single line. Otherwise, it will display in a separate line because of this print statement. Print statement always print our message in a separate line. This is the definition of print. Print always display variable value and message in a separate line. When we write and like this, and equals to single quotes open, single quotes close, then only it will display our message or two lines combines in a single line like this. Clear hai?
Sir.
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Yes, ask your doubt if you have.
सर एंड कहाँ पे लिखना होगा हमको?
And कहाँ पर लिखना होगा? Please ask in English only. Like
Sir,
this.
where we have to write and.
Yes, you have to write and at the end of the variable या message like this. See this print statement. ये देखो, print a, b, c colon a, b, c. After that, we want to combine this second line. So at the end, so here at the end of C, you put comma means as a separator, and then write and equals to single quotes open, single quotes close. Now clear?
Yes, sir.
Question number 12. Find the errors of the following code fragment. Just you find the error. Do fast. Got the error? Student, you have got or not?
Integer value, string value, integer value होनी चाहिए.
Sir, C.
No,
Yes.
you this time you are wrong. Just see here, I have underlined also this one.
Sir, C you are.
This is an error. देखो, C equals to input, enter your class. You have to enter your class in the form of like 10, 11, 12 like this, whatever. Clear? Then print last year you were in class C minus 1, but there is no separator. See here, no separator, comma is not here. First thing. Second thing, bracket is closed before C. ये भी तो एरर है हमारी. जो ब्रैकेट आना चाहिए वो कहाँ चाहिए? एट द एंड. तो आउटपुट कहाँ चाहिए? C is in string. First is C is in string. Then second is comma. यहाँ पर comma आएगा, act as a separator, and then C minus 1 and then bracket is closed. Yes, Diya. According to this, Diya is right. We cannot subtract string value with 1. That's why. Yes, दिया आप सही हो यहाँ पर, क्योंकि C की वैल्यू यदि हम 11 लेते हैं और it is in terms of string, then there is a problem. ठीक है? तो first of all, you have to convert this string value to numeric value with the help of int, and then put here comma and shift this bracket at the end. Now it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, what will be returned by the Python as the following statement? What will the return? Type is a function that returns the type of a variable or value. If you write like this, type 0, type 0, pyp, type function will return type of the variable or value. So this time you know variable 0 is in integer, because integer covers negative part, positive part as well as 0. सब कुछ होता है including 0 होता है. Then press enter key. So 0 is a integer number. So it belongs to class integer. Clear? Similarly, if you write type int 0, 0 already in integer, or you are converting this integer value to integer, so it also it also gives integer here, no problem. Type int, then 0, then close bracket and press enter. Now both the statements are same, don't worry, output is same because 0 is always in the form of integer. Clear hai? Student, it is clear?
Yes, sir.
There is
Yes,
a
sir.
there is a printing mistake here. Dot sign will not come. This dot sign is not come. There is a printing mistake. Dot आ रखा है, dot नहीं आएगा. Now type int 0. 0 is written in quotes. What is the output will come? Type int 0 is written in single quotes. What the output will come? Give answer fast. The answer of this question is integer only, because 0 is written in single quotes. This time is in the form of a string. When we write int before the string, that means integer will convert into string will convert it into integer, and the type will gives like int. See here, see this code. Type int, then single quotes start, then 0, single quotes close, and then bracket close, then close, and then press enter. Now see, again int.